Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss on chromosomes. What is chromosome? Chromosomes are colored bodies present in the nucleus. Chromosomes are stained bodies. Chromosomes are stained bodies. Stained म्हणजे colored, color दिलेले stained bodies present inside the nucleus of the eukaryotic cell. To observe the chromosomes in a dividing cell, the cell is stained with basic stain because nucleic acid as shows acidic nature. That acidic nature of the chromosome stained with basic stain, basic color, and observed under microscope. So chroma means color, soma means body, colored bodies present inside the nucleus known as chromosomes. Now in the eukaryotic organism, the chromosomes are genetic book, packed DNA molecule, and these chromosomes, when observed under microscope during the divisible stage of the cell, different types of chromosomes, different shapes of chromosomes may observe. As we have already studied in the previous videos or in the previous lecture, in the previous teaching, we already studied what type of shapes of the chromosomes developed during division of the cell. Now we have to study types of chromosomes. Types of chromosomes on the basis of their function in the eukaryotic organism. Chromosomes are mainly distinguished into two groups on the basis of their function or on the basis of their role. Autosomes and allosomes. Allosomes. Autosomes are the chromosomes which perform role to develop the body characters. Shape of the body, color of the body, different features of the body. Somatic characters determined by autosomes. In the human being, autosomes are 22 pairs. In the haploid cell, there are 22 autosomes. And in the diploid cell, 22 pairs of chromosomes may found in the human cell, human being, human cell, human diploid cell, 44 chromosomes. It means 22 pairs. Autosomes are found and which are responsible for the एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ दी सोमॅटिक कॅरेक्टर्स. हे जे 22 पेअर्स म्हणजे 44 गुणसूत्र आहेत, हे 44 गुणसूत्र शरीराचे गुणवैशिष्ट्ये ठरवतात. काळा, गोरा, उंच, शॉर्ट, हेअरस्टाईल म्हणजे सर्व बॉडीचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक ठरवतात. ऑटोसोम्स सोमॅटिक कॅरेक्टर्स ठरवतात आणि म्हणून याला म्हटलं जातं ऑटोसोम्स. अँड नो चेंज मे ऑकर इन द ऑटोसोम्स. And the genes present on the autosomes, genes present on the autosomes are known as autosomal linked genes. Autosomal linked gene, autosomal linked gene or autosomal linkage. This phenomenon, linkage phenomenon studied by T.H. Morgan in the animal. Linkage phenomenon studied by T.H. Morgan in the animal, and linkage phenomenon studied by Batson and Punnett in the plant. वनस्पतीमध्ये लिंकेजची स्टडी हे पन्नेट आणि बेट्सनने केलेलं आहे आणि प्लांट मध्ये इन द एनिमल मध्ये टी.एच. मॉर्गनने स्टडी केले. लिंकेज द जीन हॅज अ टेंडेन्सी टू इनहेरिट with the chromosome. Gene has a tendency to inherit together in the next generation. Such type of tendency is known as linkage. The phenomenon is known as linkage and gene is known as linked gene. म्हणजे ऑटोसोमल क्रोमोसोम सोबत ते जीन असतील, because already discussed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomes are the carriers of the gene. Sheldon, Swan discussed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. And linkage phenomenon studied by T.H. Morgan in the animal and linkage phenomenon in the plant studied by Batson and Punnett. Autosomal linkage. The genes when linked with the autosome known as autosomal linkage. Autosomal linked genes. Autosomes in the human being, 44 autosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. Or 22 pairs of chromosomes in the human being. In the different group of organisms, special number of chromosomes may be found. Autosomes and allosomes. Allosomes may also known as sex chromosomes. These are also known as sex chromosomes. The chromosomes which are responsible for determination of sex in the individual. यालाच म्हटलं जातं सेक्स क्रोमोझोम. Either male or female determination takes place by such type of chromosomes known as sex chromosomes. So mainly we have to discuss on sex chromosome in the human being and other group. Simultaneously we have to study the linkage linkage. Depending on the number of chromosomes, linkage groups may develop. In the human being, linkage groups are 23 pairs in the diploid cell, and in the haploid set of chromosome, 23 linkage groups may develop, because there are 23 pairs of chromosomes and 23 chromosomes in the haploid cell. 6 chromosomes in the human being. 6 chromosomes are of two types. दोन प्रकारचे 6 chromosomes आहेत. One is X chromosome, X chromosome, X chromosome, and another one is Y chromosome, Y chromosome. Y chromosome and X chromosome. When we observe the morphology of the X chromosome, morphology, बाह्य गुण वैशिष्ट्ये जर आपण बघितलं तर त्या ठिकाणी क्रोमोझोम असा दिसतो. हे पहा, X क्रोमोझोम असा दिसतो. X क्रोमोझोम अशा प्रकारचा X क्रोमोझोम दिसतो. हे पहा, दिस इज द X क्रोमोझोम. इट मीन्स X chromosome is longer. X chromosome is longer, and X chromosome is longer, rod-like, and the metacentric chromosome. X chromosome is metacentric chromosome. X chromosome long आहे, rod-like आहे, straight आहे. X chromosome is straight. Specific characteristics: straight. X chromosome is straight, longer, and metacentric chromosome, because the centromere is present in the center of the chromosomes. Centromere present at the center. These are the region of the chromosome. हे असे वेगवेगळे भाग दिसायला लागतील. These are the arms of the chromosome. So X chromosome is longer, straight, and metacentric. Straight and metacentric. Now in the X chromosome, what happened here? In the X chromosome, U chromatin is greater in content. U chromatin. U chromatin. The chromatin is faintly stained, fiber-like, thread-like structure observed under microscope. It means here U chromatin content is greater in the X chromosome and heterochromatin is lesser. Greater. U chromatin is greater in content. Is it correct symbol? Greater. Is it correct? Greater. Is it correct? Yes or no? Is it correct? Greater content of the chromatin and heterochromatin is lesser. heterochromatin. Heterochromatin is lesser. Heterochromatin is lesser. Mathematical symbol is used to denote the greater content and lesser content. जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये युक्रोमॅटिन आहे आणि कमी प्रमाणामध्ये हेटेरोक्रोमॅटिन आहे. सो एक्स क्रोमोझोम इज मोर ऍक्टिव्ह जेनेटिकली, मोर ऍक्टिव्ह genetically. X chromosome is more active genetically because the DNA content is more, and genes which are linked with the X chromosome known as X-linked gene. So number of genes present on the chromosome which are known as X-linked gene. Linked gene. X-linked genes, and these X-linked genes are present on the non-homologous part of X chromosome. X-linked genes are present on the non-homologous part of X chromosome, and linked genes may present on the homologous region. So here X-linked genes. So linkage phenomenon. Linkage. What is linkage? Linkage means the tendency of gene. A gene is present on the chromosome. The gene has tendency to inherit together in the next generation, in the offspring, along with the chromosome. क्रोमोझोम सोबत जीन पिढ्यानपिढ्या पुढच्या ऑफस्प्रिंग मध्ये जातात, पुढच्या पिढीमध्ये जातात. त्याची जागा चेंज करत नाहीये, म्हणून त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? लिंक्ड जीन. And the phenomenon is known as linkage. The linkage X-linked genes, for example, color blindness, hemophilia are the phenomenon shows X-linked inheritance. X chromosome सोबतच असतात. And on the homologous part of chromosome, these genes may be incomplete linked gene. Incomplete linked genes means the genes which are remain close to each other. When the genes remain close to each other, has tendency to inherit together. But when genes are located away from each other, when genes are distantly placed, such type of gene sometimes doesn't show linkage and shows incomplete linkage, which are generally distantly placed and generally present on the homologous part of the chromosomes. Genes which shows incomplete linkage. So such type of genes present on the homologous part of the chromosome are X chromosome. So such type of X chromosome developed in the human being. Y chromosome, what about the Y chromosome? Y chromosome is short. Y chromosome is short. This is the Y chromosome. Y chromosome is short. Hooked and acrocentric. And it is acrocentric. Acrocentric chromosome. Y-linked chromosome is Y chromosome is short, hooked and acrocentric chromosome. This is the Y chromosome. This is the Y chromosome. Short आहे, hooked आहे आणि acrocentric because centromere is located here. This is the centromere. Acrocentric chromosome. Acrocentric. 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 Y chromosome is acrocentric. Short. Short. And in the Y chromosome, heterochromatin is greater in content. Heterochromatin. Heterochromatin is greater in content. Heterochromatin जास्त प्रमाणात आहे. Heterochromatin and euchromatin is lesser in content. Euchromatin. Euchromatin is lesser in content. So genetically, Y chromosome is less active. Y chromosome is less active than the X chromosome. Less active because DNA content is less in the Y chromosome and DNA content in the X chromosome is greater. So Y chromosome is genetically less active and heterochromatin is greater in content. In the genes which are present on the non-homologous part of the Y chromosome shows Y-linked gene, Y-linked gene, Y-linked gene. बघा Y-linked gene कशावरती असतील? Y क्रोमोझोमच्या non-homologous part वरती दिसायला लागतात. So such type of linkage phenomenon studied by T.H. Morgan. T.H. Morgan by performing experiment in the Drosophila. Parental combinations and non-parental combinations may observe in the Drosophila. Parental combinations are greater and non-parental combinations are lesser because due to the exchange of the gene during crossing over phenomenon first studied by T.H. Morgan. Crossing over means during meiosis in the Pachytene stage, the gene may exchange and that exchanged gene develop the new character in the offspring. So non-parental character may observe due to crossing over. That phenomenon is known as recombination. Recombination and parental character is observed in the offspring known as linkage phenomenon. And so due to linked gene, parental combinations are greater in the offspring. So such type of chromosomes are observed in the human being, X chromosome and Y chromosome. Genes which are linked with the Y chromosome known as Y-linked gene, hypertrichosis. You know hypertrichosis. Hypertrichosis. कानावरती केस असतात मेलमध्ये कानावरती केस असतात. हे अशा प्रकारचे केस असतात कानातले इयर पिन्नावरती हेअर्स दिसायला लागतात, त्याला हायपरट्रॅकोसिस असं म्हणतात. फिमेलमध्ये कधीही इयरवरती काने असे इयरच्या पिन्नावरती केस नसतात. फक्त वाय क्रोमोझोम लिंक्ड कशासोबत आहे? वाय लिंक्ड जीन्स आहे. हिमोफिलिया, कलर ब्लाइंडनेस हे वाय एक्स लिंक्ड जीन्स आहेत, म्हणून जे जास्त प्रमाणामध्ये ह्युमन बिईंग मध्ये मेल इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये रातांधळेपणा जास्त दिसतो आणि फिमेल मध्ये कमी रातांधळेपणा असतो, कारण त्याच्यामध्ये 2 एक्स क्रोमोझोम असतात. कॅरियर असेल तर ते नॉर्मल दिसायला लागतं. फक्त होमोझायगस कंडिशन मध्ये असतं तेव्हाच तिथं कलर ब्लाइंडनेस निर्माण होतं. ते आपण नेक्स्ट क्लासमध्ये आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे, नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये बघायचं आहे. तर लक्षात ठेवा, allosomes, sex chromosome, the chromosomes which are responsible for the expression of sex, determination of sex known as sex chromosome, and the chromosomes which are responsible for the expression of somatic characters, determination of somatic character known as autosomes. ह्युमन बिईंग मध्ये 44 ऑटोसोम्स आहेत आणि 6 क्रोमोझोम्स 1 पेअर आहे, एक्स अँड वाय किंवा एक्स एक्स असं म्हणतात. फिमेल मध्ये एक्स एक्स पेअर ऑफ क्रोमोझोम असतो फिमेल, आणि मेल मध्ये एक्स वाय. मेल इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये so XY XX XY type of so female gamete in the female individual is heterogametic and male individual is homogametic. So male individual is heterogametic and female individual is homogametic. होमो म्हणजे सारखे गॅमेट निर्माण होतील, पण मेल मध्ये मात्र वेगवेगळे गॅमेट. एका गॅमेट मध्ये एक्स क्रोमोझोम असेल आणि दुसऱ्या गॅमेट मध्ये वाय क्रोमोझोम असू शकते. अशा प्रकारचे हे एक्स आणि वाय क्रोमोझोम्स ह्युमन बिईंग मध्ये डेव्हलप झालेले आहेत. अँड लिंकेज ग्रुप इन द ह्युमन बिईंग 23 लिंकेज ग्रुप्स में डेव्हलप्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोझोम्स. लिंकेज ग्रुप्स में डिटरमाइन, जेवढी गुणसूत्राची संख्या असेल तेवढी लिंकेज ग्रुप आपल्याला स्टडी करायला मिळतात. वेगवेगळ्या सजीवामध्ये, जसे फॉर एक्झाम्पल पी प्लांट मध्ये 14 क्रोमोझोम्स आहेत, हॅप्लॉइड शेप मध्ये 7 आहेत, म्हणून 7 लिंकेज ग्रुप हॅप्लॉइड मध्ये. वेगवेगळ्या सजीवामध्ये वेगवेगळी गुणसूत्राची संख्या असते आणि त्या गुणसूत्राच्या संख्येवरून लिंकेज ग्रुप आपल्याला ठरवता येतं. जसे की ह्युमन बिईंग मध्ये 23 आहे, 23 लिंकेज ग्रुप आहेत ह्युमन बिईंग मध्ये, कारण तिथे 23 क्रोमोझोम्स आहेत, हॅप्लॉइड सेट ऑफ क्रोमोझोम, म्हणून तिथे 23 लिंकेज ग्रुप असं आपण म्हणतो. थँक्यू.